आज से 2 साल पहले I started this new Instagram page without having any clear direction of where I was going. I was doing every single thing that others told me to do. I was posting almost every single day, trying to be consistent, but even then, I still was barely able to cross 2000 followers 6 महीने की मेहनत के बाद भी. And then I discovered something that changed every single thing for me. और अगले 6 महीने में my account hit 100,000 followers. And all of this was not by chance. A huge part of how I was able to do this was by creating a streamlined process जिसके through मैं ऐसा content बनाने लग गया था जिसके पीछे कोई reason हो. And this is what gave me the confidence to stop posting random content and start to make content that actually made some sense for me. And in this video, I'm going to give you the entire behind the scenes look at my personal content strategy, how I plan my content and every single part of the process along the way, so that you have a very clear path at the end of this video जिसको follow करके you can get the exact same results that I got for myself without dancing, pointing at the screen or posting 5 times a day. Phase 1 is ideation. This is the part where a lot of people make mistakes because they're too eager to start creating content. जिसकी वजह से they tend to skip the foundation completely. And picture this, you're super excited to start creating content for your own self. You open Instagram, you look at what others are doing and do the exact same things जो वो लोग करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Maybe you post a carousel one day, a very motivational reel the next day and then a quote the next day जो तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारे followers को inspire करेगा without actually knowing कि उन सब post के पीछे का reason क्या है. You're doing everything right according to what people are telling you to do but still there is something missing inside your content जिसकी वजह से तुम्हें वो results नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं that you want. So here is what you should be doing instead. Grab a notebook या फिर open a fresh Google document and answer these 3 questions. सबसे पहले, who are you really trying to help with your content? And I want you to be specific here क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा wide जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है शुरुआत में ही. That is only going to confuse you. Instead of saying कि मैं सबके लिए content बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, say men or women in their 20s who are trying to lose weight या फिर trying to gain weight or build a side hustle or start an online business, whatever is the motive behind your content. And a pro tip for this step is think of yourself आज से 4-5 साल पहले. Think of that person जो कि तुम उस टाइम पे थे and try to create content for that person, trying to help him get to where you are right now. इससे 2 चीजें होने वाली हैं. The content that you will be creating is going to be more relatable for you to create. और जो बंदा सामने उस वीडियो को देख रहा होगा, it will be more relatable for them as well. The second question is, who are the people who are already great in this field जहाँ पे तुम better होने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? The point of this is to have a starting point of acquiring some knowledge that is inside your brain जिसके बारे में तुम content बना सकते हो. You can't have nothing inside your brain and then magically expect yourself to pop out 7 video ideas अगले हफ्ते के लिए. I want you to observe the best performing ideas, videos जो ये लोग create कर रहे हैं and save all of them inside one folder on your Instagram. और हो सकता है तुम वो already कर रहे हो. The third question is, what are the problems that you can solve for the people in the first step? I want you to think about all the challenges and problems that you face during this one phase of your life. And that is what you will be the most qualified to offer your help with. Let me give an example. If you were a very fat person once upon a time, try to dig deep and find out उस time पे तुम्हें कैसा feel होता था. What were the insecurities that you were facing at that time? The exact problems that you faced and how did you overcome it? क्या चीजें तुमने use करी उस चीज से बाहर निकलने के लिए? And don't really try to make this very complex क्योंकि this can keep evolving and changing जैसे जैसे तुम अपनी लाइफ में और प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हो और आगे बढ़ते हो. बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस वन स्टेप इज गोइंग टू सेव यू मंथ्स ऑफ ट्राइंग टू पोस्ट रैंडम कंटेंट जिसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, जिससे किसी का फायदा ही नहीं हो रहा. और एक और चीज में मैं एम्फसाइज करना चाहूंगा, इट इज ग्रेट इफ यू हैव वन डेडिकेटेड प्लेस जहां पे तुम सब आइडियाज को स्टोर कर रहे हो. आई पर्सनली स्टार्ट विद राइटिंग डाउन ऑल द आइडियाज इन माई सिंपल नोट्स ऐप जो कि मेरे फोन पे है. पर ड्यूरिंग द वीकेंड या फिर जब मुझे टाइम मिलता है, आई फीड इट इनसाइड द कंटेंट सिस्टम ऑन नोशन दैट यू कैन क्रिएट फॉर योरसेल्फ और यू कैन गेट एक्सेस टू माइन इनसाइड द क्रिएटर मेथड. फेज 2 इज पैकेजिंग. दिस इज वेयर वी टेक ऑल द आइडियाज जो तुमने पिछले स्टेप में डिसाइड किए हैं एंड देन क्रिएट देम इनटू वीडियोज दैट स्टॉप अदर पीपल फ्रॉम स्क्रोलिंग. पर उससे पहले लेट मी बस्ट दिस ह्यूज मिथ दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव. You don't really need to have very fancy editing. You don't really need to have access to the best music in the world to create scroll stopping content. But what you need to understand is कि एक अच्छी पैकेजिंग में होता क्या है. Think about the time जब तुम Instagram के थ्रू स्क्रॉल कर रहे होते हो. You probably scroll through 90% of the post videos जो तुम्हारे सामने आती हैं. So how do we make sure कि हमारा content gets into that 10% that people actually stop and watch? And it all comes down to 3 elements. Your hook, your story structure and your delivery. तुम बात कैसे करते हो? Let's start with the hooks. The biggest mistake that I see a lot of people make even today is that they waste a lot of time at the start of their video without telling the viewer what they should expect out of it. No one really cares. 3 seconds, that's it. That is how long you have to capture their attention before they move on to another reel. Let me show you a real example. Instead of saying, hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to tell you how time is super important for you और उसको बचाना कैसे है तुम्हें. Start with something that is more relatable but provoking, जिसकी वजह से they will get hooked from the start, forcing themselves to watch the entire video. Something like this.
हम सबका एक ऐसा दोस्त तो जरूर होगा जिसकी महीने की सैलरी 25,000 रुपए है, पर उसने 1 लाख रुपए का iPhone 14 Pro खरीद लिया है. पर अब इसका उसकी लाइफ के ऊपर क्या असर होने वाला है? Now this is what I call the parasitic debt. अब ये क्या होता है? उससे पहले, if you haven't watched the first part of this Unlocking Time's Value series, I suggest you do that, ताकि तुम्हें टाइम के बेसिक्स क्लियर हो जाए. Now, अभी शोंग में एक लग्जरी आइटम तो खरीद ली है, पर उसकी जेब से इसके लिए 2 चीजें जाने वाली है. First, the cost of the phone itself, जो कि 1 लाख रुपए है. Second, the cost of his free time, ऐसा टाइम जिसमें वो फ्री बैठना अफोर्ड कर सकता था, which he will now have to buy back by working for more hours. Think of it this way, कि अगर इस बंदे की 1 महीने की सैलरी 25,000 रुपए है and the cost of the iPhone is 1 lakh rupees, तो this iPhone also costed him his 4 महीने की मेहनत. पर अब ऐसे खर्चों को अवॉइड कैसे किया जा सकता है? क्योंकि दिल तो बहुत सारी चीजें खरीदने को करता है. The answer to that is using this one hack called controlling your instant gratification. और अब ये क्या बला है? And how can you use this in your life? This is exactly what we will discuss in the third and the final part of this Unlocking Time's Value series.
These were the insights that this video got. Almost 800,000 views. These were the likes, these were the saves, these were the shares and 18,000 followers इस एक वीडियो से. So you get the power of a strong hook that I was talking about. I also know that I sound way different than I do abhi is moment mein, but I think that's just how growth works. But you get the point that I'm trying to make. There's many different ways to make your hooks interesting and more catchy, पर ये रहे 3 ways that I use personally. सबसे पहले, use specific numbers. Like, I gained 10 kgs in 30 days and here is how I did it. I gained 100,000 followers in 6 months and here is how I did it. दूसरा तरीका is to use negative hooks. Humans are more attracted to negative चीजें. We have all seen this happen. This is the reason why news channels have the highest TRP rating of all time. You're never really going to make any money if you keep doing this one stupid mistake. Your videos are never really going to work अगर तुम ये एक गलती हमेशा करते रहे. You are going to lose a lot of money if you keep making this one stupid mistake. Third is specific callouts. मतलब तुम एक certain group of people से बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो अपने hook में और तुम उनको point out कर रहे हो, तुम poke कर रहे हो उन्हें. If you are in your 20s and you want to learn new skills, you might need to save this video. And I use this exact hook अपनी इस एक वीडियो में. Now let's talk about the story structure. What comes after the hook? एक बार तुमने attention capture कर ली पहले 3 सेकंड में अपने व्यूअर की, तो उसके बाद क्या? Most creators just dump information without having any solid structure या फिर एक flow अपनी बात में. Any kind of information that is conveyed without a structure is just noise. Here is a very simple framework that I use for every piece of content that I create. सबसे पहले आता है hook that we have already talked about, the solution of the problem जिसके बारे में तुम बात कर रहे हो, या फिर a story जिसके through तुम कोई lesson देने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, and at the end a call to action. This is a very simplified version of the structure that I use, so you can get started by today itself by understanding these basics. And let me make this even more easier for you to understand through an example. Let's say that you're creating content around productivity. So instead of just dumping your productivity tips for the person to save their time, you would structure it like this. सबसे पहले hook. You'll never have enough time to get anything done until you learn this. then the solution to the problem. Stop thinking about your day in hours and start thinking in blocks. The first block of your day should be for complete focus. Do the work that makes you move forward. The second block should be for connection. This is when you handle all your meetings, calls and emails. Everything that requires some amount of your effort but not all of it. The last block is consume and dump. This is for reading new books, taking in the new podcast जो तुमने सेव करे हुए अपनी प्लेलिस्ट में, learning and planning out what you're going to be doing tomorrow. If you want to get my personal time planner, comment time and I will send it straight to your inbox. You see how different this feels instead of just listing all the tips that you think would help the other person. That's how proper packaging works. And there are 3 different types of content which serve a very different intention. सबसे पहला है growth content. This is your attention grabber content. This is the type of content जो कि नई eyeballs, नई audience लेके आता है तुम्हारे personal brand के लिए. So it should be bold, relatable and easily shareable. कुछ examples हैं जिसे तुम्हें और अच्छे से ये समझ आएगा. The reason that you're stuck is not because you're lazy, it's because you're unfocused. Now, इससे हर बंदा relate कर पाएगा because there are times हम सबकी life में जब हम unfocused feel करते हैं. Here are 3 mistakes that I made in my 20s that everyone should learn from. You get what I'm saying? The second type of content is personal content. Personal content helps to humanize you. It shows the emotions, the feelings that you have inside you. And when people trust you, they are far more likely to trust your expertise, like you, and then buy from you. यहाँ पे talk about your story, all the lessons that you have learned, all the struggles that you have faced, and इस पूरी जर्नी में तुमने क्या सीखा है जिससे दूसरे लोगों का फायदा हो सकता है. Here are some examples. Here's the story of how I built my first online income and how you should not do it the same. I used to avoid making content क्योंकि I felt I wasn't good enough, but here is how I overcame that feeling. Third is authority content. Now, this type of content is the proof of expertise content. इससे लोगों को पता चलता है कि what are the things that you are actually good at. यहाँ पे you talk about the problem that you have solved in your life and how you overcame that problem. और ये रहे कुछ examples. Here's a simple framework that I used to gain 10,000 followers in the last 2 days. I went from this skinny kid to being this jacked person in the last 3 months and here is how I did it. Here's the diet that I had. Here are the exercises that I did. जब तुम अपने process को share करते हो और तुम कैसे यहाँ पे पहुंचे जहाँ पे तुम अभी हो, it helps the other person to see you as this authority figure जो उनकी help कर सकता है इस problem को overcome करने के लिए. The third phase is production. Now, this is the part which a lot of people overthink. उनको लगता है they need the most expensive equipment. बहुत ज़्यादा complex editing उनको आने की ज़रूरत है to create the videos that other people would find valuable. But let me tell you something. I grew to 50,000 followers using this 7-year-old camera जो अभी इस वीडियो को शूट कर रहा है and using my 4-year-old phone as a mic. And here's exactly what you need to start making content. सबसे पहले, you need something to shoot with. It could be a very old camera like I am using right now. It could be your phone and most of the time जो भी तुम आजकल फोन ले रहे हो, it is going to work. अभी के लिए बहुत आराम से तुम्हारा काम चल जाएगा. Second, a simple ring light ताकि एक लाइट का सोर्स रहे जो तुम्हारी वीडियो को कैप्चर करने में हेल्प करे. अगर मैं इसको टर्न कर देता हूँ, there is no light, which is why having a very simple light is so important. Third is a quiet room जहाँ पे तुम बैठ के वीडियोस को रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो like I am doing right now. Fourth, very simple basic editing apps जैसे VN या फिर InShot. If you are a nerd like me, then start on Premiere Pro itself. It is going to be much more complex than VN and InShot, but use it if you like it and if you are obsessed with quality like I was. And that is it, nothing fancy. You don't need a lot of stuff. Start करने के लिए content creation. पर what matters even more than the equipment that you are using are the scripts that you are writing. जो words तुम use कर रहे हो अपनी वीडियो में, the topics that you are talking about and the way that you are talking in your videos. And it needs to be conversational in a way. जैसे मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ, like how you would talk with a friend. एक बहुत ज़्यादा different character put on करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just stay as you are, naturally दिखाओ अपने आप को कैमरा पे भी, because if you do act like someone जो तुम नहीं हो अपनी रियल लाइफ में, then people are going to notice it और वो fakeness लोगों को पता लग जाएगी. But if you do all the things जिसके बारे में हमने बात करी है on a regular basis, then you are going to get better at everything with time, which is going to be a little hard at first, but here is how I maintain this consistency जो मेरी चल रही है अभी फिलहाल. Different parts of this process like scripting, shooting, ideating, editing, इन सबको मैंने break down किया हुआ है. सबसे पहले I write down all of the ideas जो भी मेरे दिमाग में आते हैं या फिर I come across एक सिंपल सी जगह पे, जैसे अभी के लिए वो मेरे फोन का नोट्स ऐप है. लेटर आई ट्रांसफर देम इनटू द नोशन सिस्टम, जिसके बारे में हमने पहले बात करी थी. आफ्टर दैट कम्स द स्क्रिप्टिंग वीडियोज वाला पार्ट. यहाँ पे आई स्क्रिप्ट ऑल द वीडियोज फॉर द वीक विच इज 4 वीडियोज राइट नाउ. आफ्टर दैट कम्स द शूटिंग पार्ट. यहाँ पे जो भी आइडियाज मैंने फाइनलाइज कर लिए वीडियो बनाने के लिए, जो मैंने स्क्रिप्ट्स लिख लिए हैं, उसको फाइनली मैं वीडियोज में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ, लाइक आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. आफ्टर दैट आई एडिट ऑल द वीडियोज इनटू अ फाइनल फॉर्म विच कैन फाइनली बी पोस्टेड. अब ऑल ऑफ दीज टास्क, इनको इंडिविजुअली करने में मुझे 3 या 4 घंटे 5 घंटे लगते हैं मैक्सिमम, विच आई हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट डेज. अब इससे क्या होता है, मेरे दिमाग के ऊपर, मेरी बॉडी के ऊपर एकदम से सारा लोड नहीं आता है कि मुझे ये सब काम को 1 या 2 दिन में खत्म करना है, which helps me to maintain and sustain this consistency over a long period of time. And if you do want to invest in something, अपने कंटेंट की क्वालिटी को और ज़्यादा बेटर करने के लिए, सबसे पहले even before buying a expensive camera, invest in a good microphone like this one. क्योंकि तुम्हारे फ़ोन की क्वालिटी ना इनफ होने वाली है शुरुआत के लिए, but having a great microphone is going to make a lot of difference in the quality of your videos. So basically focus on these 4 things. सबसे पहला है clear audio, which is more important than your video. Then a good pacing of your videos. यहाँ पे remove all the ums and ahs and the मोमेंट्स जब तुम अपनी वीडियो में चुप हो जाओगे बोलते बोलते, इस सब को रिमूव कर दो ताकि वो एक कंटिन्यूअस फ्लो रहे थ्रू आउट योर वीडियोस. थर्ड इज टू ऐड टेक्स्ट ओवरलेस, सिंपल कैप्शंस जो कि वीडियो में मूव करते हैं एज यू आर स्पीकिंग, और वो उन वर्ड्स को टेक्स्ट में रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं. शुरुआत में अगर तुम्हें ये भी थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लगता है, देन स्किप दिस पार्ट, कोई जरूरी नहीं है, बट इट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जब हम कोई वीडियो देख रहे होते हैं सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर, हमारा फोन जो है वो थोड़ा साइलेंट मोड पे होता है या फिर उसकी आवाज बहुत कम होती है. So the first thing that the other person does while watching that video is read what is written on the screen. Fourth is simple music tracks जो तुम directly Instagram से उठा सकते हो अपनी videos के पीछे लगाने के लिए. You can check out the famous creators जिनकी तुम videos देखते होगे Instagram पे, उनके नाम के नीचे लिखा हुआ आता है the music that is added to that video. उस पर क्लिक करके तुम उसको सेव कर सकते हो and then use that exact audio next time when you are uploading तुम्हारी खुद की वीडियो. After this, the fourth phase is analysis. एक बार तुमने वीडियो पोस्ट कर लिया, उसके बाद क्या करना है? दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट एंड द गेम चेंजर, जो कि बहुत लोग मिस कर देते हैं और स्किप कर देते हैं क्योंकि उनको पता ही नहीं होता इस चीज के बारे में. दे पोस्ट कंटेंट एंड आफ्टर दैट दे ईदर सेलिब्रेट द विन ऑफ दैट वीडियो कि यार मेरी ये एक वीडियो बहुत अच्छी चल गई है, और दे गेट डिस्करेज्ड बाय द वीडियोस परफॉर्मेंस अगर वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं करती है. बट व्हाट दे नेवर एक्चुअली डू इज एनालाइज why something is working the way it is and why something is not. Let me share my exact process. हर हफ्ते मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं 30 मिनट से 1 घंटा स्पेंड करता हूँ, usually it's on Sundays, looking at all the content that I've created over the past week. यहाँ पे I open my content tracking template, which I'm soon going to add inside the creator method, and I answer 3 questions here. First, which post performed well above average and which one didn't perform at all. उसके बाद क्या मैं पैटर्न्स नोटिस कर रहा हूँ जो कि अच्छी वीडियोस में चल रहे हैं, और क्या पैटर्न्स मैं नोटिस कर रहा हूँ in the ones that are not performing at all. What elements can I implement and improve in the future, और क्या चीजें मुझे completely remove करनी है अपने content में से. Putting your efforts in your content is very necessary, but you also need to make sure that you are moving in the right direction or not, which happens जब तुम अपनी performance को constantly analyze कर रहे होते हो. You are eliminating what is not working and adding more of what is working and what more you can improve. And here's where a lot of people go wrong with analysis as well. They only look at the likes and the views that their videos are getting, and those metrics matter, but they don't tell the entire story. You also need to look at the saves. This shows how valuable your content really is. The shares, जिससे पता लगता है how relatable your content is with the people that are watching those videos, and then the comments. इससे पता लगता है if people are finding your advice useful in the first place or not. And let me give you a real example. जब मैंने एनालाइज किया था अपने कंटेंट को लास्ट ईयर, आई नोटिस समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. माई पोस्ट अबाउट यूट्यूब रिकमेंडेशंस, जहाँ पे मैं रिसोर्सेज के बारे में बात कर रहा था, वर गेटिंग अ लॉट मोर सेव्स एंड शेयर्स. पीपल टेंड टू सेव द वीडियोज जहाँ पे तुम उन्हें कोई रिसोर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे होते हो, बिकॉज दे डोंट रियली वांट टू मिस जो भी तुमने उस वीडियो में वैल्यू दी है उनको. सो naturally, I started to create more of those videos, which ended up bringing a good amount of new audience for my profile. But don't create recommendation wali videos all the time, क्योंकि most of these videos are very broad and they don't really set you up as an authority in a very particular thing. They are great for growth, but similarly, there are different types of content जिसके बारे में हमने पहले बात करी है, that solve a different intention for the people who are watching your videos. And in this video today, you've learned how to generate ideas for your content. Turn those ideas into actual scripts जो कि काम करेंगी तुम्हारे लिए. Use those scripts and then shoot your first set of videos for the next week. How to edit them and make them finally ready to post. एक बार तुमने उन वीडियोस को पोस्ट कर दिया है, उसके बाद क्या तुम्हें करना चाहिए? This is the exact system that I have used to go from 0 to 120,000 followers right now on Instagram and created an audience around my interests. I hope you found this helpful to finally start creating content for yourself. But if you want to save your time and effort and bypass this process of growth that you will be figuring out on your own, then consider investing in the creator method. जहाँ पे I'll help you implement all the strategies, frameworks and templates that I have used and developed for my own self. But even if you implement all of the things जिसके बारे में हमने आज बात करी है, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the people who are trying to create content. And remember, you don't really need to dance in front of the camera or post 5 times a day to start building your personal brand. You just need the willingness to start and keep improving as you go. If you found this video helpful, then make sure you are subscribed because a lot more content like this is coming your way, and I'm going to see you in the next one.